Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Large chicken stuffed with vegetables and rice will be made. This recipe may be a different meal idea for you. One chicken can weigh more than 2 kilograms on average. Spinach, onion, carrot, potatoes, less than 1 cup of rice, spices, black pepper, cumin, powdered paprika, thyme, mixed vegetable seasoning, powdered ginger, garlic, red pepper paste, olive oil, soy sauce. Chicken is prepared boneless first. Cut the chicken wings. Cut through the center of the chicken breast with a knife and proceed by cutting to the right and to the left. Although this process may seem complicated, anyone can do it. Feel the bones with your hand, this way you can locate them. Bend the chicken's legs apart from the joint and cut the bone out with a knife. At this stage, you can remove it using your hand. It is very simple to remove the bone from the chicken with a knife and using your hand. The important thing is to remove the bones without damaging the skin. If you can do this, you can make many different recipes. I'm sure many people already know how to remove the bone from a chicken leg. Remove the bones in the arm part, and deepening is done. Thin the breast meat a little. You can fill the middle part with slices of meat. Remove the bone from the chicken wing and add it. Wash the bones with boiling water. Add lemon juice and mix for a few minutes. Pour out the dirty water. Add water again and boil for 2 hours. Get the foam. Cut the nylon bag with a knife. Place the chicken in the plastic bag. Expand the chicken by hitting it with a steel crusher. If you don't have a steel crusher, you can use a steel pot. Expanded chicken is ready now. Marination sauce for chicken will be prepared. Garlic. Add some salt and prepare crushed garlic. Add the crushed garlic. Add salt, hot pepper sauce, soy sauce, olive oil. Add the spices. Stir and add the mixture to the chicken. Find a bowl and place the chicken in the bowl. Now prepare the ingredients for stuffing the chicken. Wash the spinach. Add the spinach to the boiling water. After 1 minute, add the spinach to the strainer. Do this at first and allow the spinach to cool. Chop the spinach a little. Add the chopped spinach to the chicken. Drain the half-cooked rice and add it to the chicken. Peel the potatoes, cut them into rounds and add. Add the carrots. Add onions. Don't forget to add salt to the vegetables. Close the chicken. Open the sides of the bag. Add the stuffed chicken to the tray. Remove the nylon bag. As an idea, I can say that at this stage you can add the chicken back into the bowl and cook it, so that the juice will remain in the chicken. Add to the oven and bake for 1 hour at 150–160 degrees. Of course, if you don't want to run the oven for that long, first steam it in the pot, then you can fry it in the oven for 10 minutes on high heat. As you can see, the chicken's juice has always flowed into the tray while it is being cooked. Brush tomato paste and oil on the chicken. The sauce that you will make with chicken broth should definitely be with the chicken. Add butter. Add flour. Some olive oil. Chicken bone broth. Mix, check the salt and taste. You can add a little milk or cream as per preference. You can slice the chicken and serve it. As I said at the beginning, if you are looking for a different dish, you can try it. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Recipes Chef Salam. If you want to donate, you can leave a tip. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.